Today must just be a day for Royal Caribbean news because we are back again with 2 more Royal Caribbean stories. We'll get into both of them right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome back for another cruise news video. Let's jump right in with our Royal Caribbean stories. All right, Royal Caribbean's newest expansion on their private island of Coco Cay, Hideaway Beach, is going to be an adults-only area. It is scheduled to be open late in 2022 and is going to be located on the western side of the island. There is some talk about this, that there may be an extra charge in order to get into Hideaway Beach. That has not been confirmed. Nothing is set in stone on that. If we hear something, of course, we'll let you know. But the way they were kind of talking about the profitability of a new spot on Coco Cay kind of lets you think that there may be some kind of upcharge. But like I said, we don't know that for 100% for sure yet. We're just something we're going to keep an eye on. Now, before we get on to our next cruise story, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button for me. Helps our channel grow. It's free to do so, and by pushing that button, all it really does is tell YouTube to let you know when our next video comes out. But it does really help us out. We really appreciate it. We are coming up on our 1-year anniversary, and our current goal is to get above 2,000 subscribers before November the 26th. So if you want to help us out and be a part of this cruising community, hit that button for me. Thank you in advance. Now on to something we have not heard in a little while. Used to hear about it quite often, but it's not something we've heard in a little while, and that is a test cruise, a simulated voyage, in order to show the CDC that the health and safety protocols on board are being followed. And Royal Caribbean's Explorer of the Seas is currently actually conducting a test sailing. They departed on Friday from San Juan, Puerto Rico for a 2-night sailing scheduled to be back on the 31st of October. Once the test sailing is complete, everything is passed, everything is good to go. The Explorer of the Seas is going to be sailing 7-night itineraries round trip from San Juan, Puerto Rico. And like I said, test cruises, that's not something we have heard about here recently. A lot of cruise ships have been restarting, but not a lot of the cruise ships have been doing test sailings. So I thought it was pretty interesting that there was one out there doing it again. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this news video. If you have, do me a favor, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.